Hi friends, welcome to Maths to Mind, and today we are going to discuss a new topic, algebra. And first of all, what is the meaning of algebra, where we are using it? So to find the unknown quantities, if we are given any equation like that is 1x equal to 3, 1 plus x equal to 3, or 2 into n equal to something like that, you can see 2n equal to 10. So if we have given this equation and we have to find the value of n, so n is the variable here. Okay.
Yes.
So through algebra we can find out the value of n, and then we can understand if we are putting the value of n, what we will put the value of n so that the equation will be satisfied. If we are putting 0, if we are putting 1, 2, 3, so what will be the value? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So easily you can understand this is a very simple equation. If you are putting here n equal to 5, then you will be able to see 2 into 5 equals to 10. So our RHS equal to LHS, equation will be satisfied. So in this way, okay, many problems will be there and we have to find the solution. We have to find the value of the variable. So what is variable? That can vary or change. Okay, its value is not fixed. Okay, for example, 2 into n. So n can be taken as number 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., etc., and etc. Okay, now, so how we will notify the variable? It can be notified as x, y, z, l, m, whatever you want. Okay, so I will give you one example so that it will give you a clarity. So how it works? See, the cost of one pencil is rupees 3. Okay.
Okay.
And you have to find, if somebody will ask you, so what will be the cost of 3 pencil, 4 pencil, 5 pencil? So easily you can find out. You will find out one expression. Okay. So see, if the cost of 1 pencil is rupees 3, the cost of 2 pencil is rupees 6, 3 pencil is 9, 4 pencil is 12, 5 pencil is 15. So some sequence is there. You have to understand what is happening here. 3 into 2, 6. Okay. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 4, 12. 3 into 5, 15. It means that some variable is multiplying and giving the results.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So we can understand that the cost in rupees equal to 3 into number of pencils required.
Okay.
So variable we are taking here m. You can take x, y, z, whatever you want. So m equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, any number of pencils required. If you are taking 1 pencil, the value we are putting here m equal to 1, then the rupees will be rupees 3. If you want 2 pencil, then we will put m equal to 2, then the rupees will be rupees 6. For 2 pencil, you have to you should have rupees 6, then only you can buy 2 pencils.
Okay.
So these are all about the overview of algebra. So in next video we will discuss the properties of numbers.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Have a great day. Stay safe. Stay at home.